Doge is testing a major resistance level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. We are nearing to almost 200 Telegram members. If you guys want to stay up to date with my charts as well as my trades, make sure to check out the link in the bio. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Doge analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. Now, as you guys can see on Doge yesterday, we did see a very nice fake out opportunity retesting our highs of 0.086. Looking at the 4-hour time frames, that level of course had a lot of importance because of the fact that it acted as a very strong support level from previous price analysis in terms of a midterm support. And as of right now, we did see that reconfirmation in terms of testing this level as resistance. As you guys already know, old support tends to become new resistance, and the fact that we are trading below our exponential moving averages, this 0.075 level will become a very strong magnet overall. What I'm looking to see, of course, on Doge is to see whether or not we end up seeing a break formation on this level followed by a retest of resistance. That will be our confirmation to obviously look for those shorting positions. For those of you that are in the Telegram channel, you guys already know that we've seen a lot of volatility, but we have come out on top. The number one rule right now is, of course, is being patient and waiting for these support levels to be tested. There's nothing worse than entering a trade too early and getting absolutely wrecked on the way upwards before the move towards the downside. And ideally, what we're waiting for is to see whether or not we end up breaking the 0.075 level, since we have tested this 3 times. This would of course become the 4th test opportunity, and usually on the 4th test we tend to see a massive breakdown formation. But we have to keep in mind the fact that not only have we already tested this level, but we've also traded before way lower down here, right? You can see that Doge already broke this level in terms of support, retested it as resistance, and we actually saw multiple confirmations in terms of a bearish case scenario. Then we saw this massive run up on Doge, and I did mention way back then that this could be looking like a fake out opportunity. The question always becomes, how large is a fake out going to be? You can see then we started to have this ladder case upwards, and now we are seeing the elevator down. Of course, my overall target remains at 0.057 in terms of the bearish case scenario. And right now, in terms of a bullish case scenario, you can see that we have been in the situation prior where we managed to actually see that retest of 0.088, come back all the way down to here at 0.069, and then a stronger push upwards to 0.11. The question a lot of people are going to be asking, is this the same sort of analysis that we're going to see? And right now, we have to be very careful in terms of a bullish case scenario. The reason I say that is because the fact you can see that Doge has already completed this moveset once. It's very unlikely that we'll see the same sort of moveset happen again. The market just doesn't tend to work like that. Usually what we have is a massive fake out. So I am going to be paying very close attention to 0.057, seeing whether or not we grab that liquidity and then have that continuation. Or if we end up breaking that level, then my overall target remains at 0.04 on Doge. Even on the hourly time frames, you can see that the bulls had another chance to break out from this inverse bar formation. We failed, and immediately after saw multiple bearish engulfing candles creating new lower lows. But the fact is that now we are starting to create this same sort of resistance level on the lower time frames that we were actually using as support. These are things that you guys need to understand to watch out for, because of the fact that when you start creating new resistance on old support, this tends to mean the fact that we are looking for a stronger continuation to the downside. Even on the daily time frames, you can see the fact that we retested our exponential moving averages with multiple wick opportunities, and as of right now, we have not seen a clean breakout formation just yet. I'm going to be paying very close attention to the daily time frame, because not only did we reject off the 9 exponential, but we also rejected off the 20 exponential moving average. The only thing that we have to watch out for is, of course, maybe one last liquidity grab going all the way up to 0.088, retesting that level as resistance, and then a stronger confirmation to the downside. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.